Today we are going to discuss about coagulase test. What is coagulase test? Usually Staphylococcus species will produce an enzyme called coagulase that is seen commonly in Staphylococcus aureus, which is the most common pathogen. So what does the coagulase do? Coagulase is a protein like in nature. It's an enzyme which is protein in nature, and its mechanism of action is like prothrombin like activity. That means it converts fibrinogen to fibrin, which helps in formation of a clot at the site of any infection. So this is the mechanism in the formation of abscess. So that is formation of a clot and resulting finally into abscess. In slide test, bound coagulase is detected. We are going to discuss what is bound coagulase. So coagulase test can be of two types, as you already know, slide coagulase as well as tube coagulase. So first we are going to discuss about what is bound coagulase. So bound coagulase means it is an enzyme that is found attached to the bacterial cell wall, but it is not in secreted form. It is only found attached to the bacterial cell wall, and it is also known as clumping factor. Okay, clumping factor. Then we are seeing what is coagulase test and why we are using plasma in this test. So plasma, you all know plasma contains fibrinogen. So when plasma is added to the bacterial colony suspension that contains coagulase enzyme in secreted form or bound form, so that coagulase breaks down the fibrinogen which is present in the plasma into fibrin, resulting in clot formation. So when you are doing the slide coagulase test, which is discussed later separately, how to do the slide coagulase test, you will know how to perform the test. So here we are discussing that whenever there is a coagulase enzyme, it is breaking down the fibrinogen into fibrin and resulting in the formation of clot. Okay. So whenever you see the clot formation in the biocoagulase test, that is, it confirms most of the times it is the pathogen is Staphylococcus aureus. So what are the uses of coagulase test? Coagulase test confirms the causative agent most of the time as Staphylococcus aureus, that is coagulase test positive, that is Staphylococcus aureus, and it also helps in differentiating Staphylococcus aureus from other Staphylococcus species. And coagulase is the principal virulence factor of Staphylococcus aureus. You know what is a virulence factor, which helps in the pathogenicity of the organism. Okay, thank you.